Hi guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have not one but two giant snack boxes to share with you. So these are from a company called Variety Fun, and they have a couple different options for their boxes. They have one starting at $20 all the way up to $40 depending on the box that you choose. They have their regular fun boxes, which have kind of your basic snacks like, let's look at this one, shall we? We've got Funyuns in here and Doritos and, you know, some basic chips and things that you will recognize, maybe some new ones, some zoo animals, grandma's cookies. You know, I mean, these are all familiar vending machine type foods, and these are great for having like in an office or even at home, or you know, to throw in your kids' lunches, things like that. I know, you know, Colin and I both work from home, so yay. And then this one is the box that I prefer. This one is the Fit box. So this is going to be slightly healthier snacks, more on the organic side, that sort of a thing. So you've got more of like your popcorners, some veggie crisps, hip peas. These are vegan white cheddar puff cracker things. You know, there's things more along those lines. There are some, you know, like Pirate's Booty, obviously recognizable ones. You've got some cookies in here. This one actually came with a lot of bars, like these, you know, protein snack bar types. And I ate one yesterday. What did I eat yesterday? IQ bar. I haven't had these before and it was really, really good. I totally want more of these. 6 brain nutrients, 10 grams of plant protein, 1 gram of natural sugar, and only 4 grams of carbs. So, you know, this side is more on the health conscious type of snacks, which is what I prefer. Colin prefers the Doritos. So, you know, I mean, depending on the types of things that you like to eat and where you will be having this, are you going to get it for your office, for your home, for your kids, for yourself? You know, I think it is a great snack box and the price isn't bad at all. Anyway, I thought it was really fun. Plus there's a lot of things in here that I wasn't familiar with, that I haven't seen before, and I always love being introduced to new brands as well as having some familiar ones in there as well. So anyway, I will leave all of the information in the description box so you guys can check that out. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!